Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I just recently bought a Prismacolor Premier color pencil and I feel very curious about the quality of it. Firstly, I'm going to do the unboxing. It comes in a bubble wrap, so nice. I spent around $100 on this. Yeah, it's so beautiful, isn't it? My heart beating so fast right now. This is my first time holding a very expensive color pencil. Okay, so we have now the Prismacolor color pencil versus the Faber Castell Classic. Now I'm going to draw Gilgamesh. So without further ado, let's go and watch it together, guys. Let's go. Okay, right now I'm choosing the Gilgamesh pose in a T-pose format so that when I draw it really can see the contrast exactly, because it is very symmetrical mirroring format, left and right. It's very hard to find him doing this pose. Finally I got a fan art poster from Pinterest after looking for a few hours, but the face is not very original. Therefore I took the original face and pasted into this fan art and modified it, and I redraw it. Therefore it looks very original. I like it because his face is very original, the same like the anime, and I really love this pose because it's very simple and it's very fierce. Really enhance his true character. So yeah, starting out with Faber Castell Classic color pencil. Again, I've tried to learn how to draw skin tone from tutorial in YouTube, but in the end, because just now I included pink, and in the end the feeling of pink inside this skin tone is wrong, so that's why I change it to the way I feel like it, according to the fan art or to the poster. So yeah, going to the Armour now, like what I've done in the previous video of Gilgamesh Armour, but this one is a zoom in version, so we can see the reflection in a very detailed form. And yeah, we can see here Faber Castell Classic seems like doing very well, but again using Faber Castell Classic really makes my hand very painful because you've got to press it really hard, and after doing a few overlapping, it's like the color is dull. It's not giving the glossiness. But I've tried my best to maximize the quality of Faber Castell color pencil, Faber Castell Classic color pencil, which I am truly very satisfied already with this color pencil's quality, and I can feel the reflective chromic gold is being portrayed from this color pencil. Yeah, it's nearly done. It's just a few more area to draw. It's quite vibrant. So this is just some decorative purposes. And the hair, what's about this Gilgamesh design is the hair color and the armor color are exactly the same. So yeah, that's the Faber Castell Classic color pencil ready. So now going into using Prismacolor color pencil. Now when using Prismacolor color pencil, you cannot say that, oh, Faber Castell classic color pencils color, I will just use the same color as a replica to match it up together. It's not like that because when you use Prismacolor color pencil and you put a stroke on a paper, it looks much darker compared to Faber Castell classic color pencil. That's what I learned, so that's why I get rid of Faber Castell color pencils color nodes to just choose the color, and I cover the left side so that I am not confused to actually keep on looking on the left side to actually match the color together, instead of just choose all the pencil that I feel is correct from the reference image. Therefore I don't get distracted by the left image, and also it will give a surprise factor for you guys, the audience. And we can see here the shoulder pad, shoulder armor is already very glossy. This is the power of Prismacolor color pencil. And also the dark area you can see is super dark. And also the glossiness and the gradients and the pencil strokes is all just disappeared. It's just so smooth. I really love Prismacolor color pencil. Yeah, finishing up the hair touches. Yeah, that's the drawing, guys. It's done, and you can see the contrast is superbly different, and it is so much enhanced using the Prismacolor color pencil. The gold is so bright, is so realistic. You see, it is because this Prismacolor color pencil is actually made of wax. That's why when the light fall into the artwork, it reflects the light. So yeah, I really love this picture. So that's the drawing, guys. What do you guys think? Hopefully you can learn something out of it, and you can understand the different quality of these two color pencils. So if you have any kind of advices or comments or opinions, you can leave it in the comment section below. And also if you have any kind of anime suggestion that you would like me to draw, so you can leave it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, please do subscribe. So please do not forget to like the video. Thank you so much, and see you guys next one.